Hi guys, welcome to mathematics. In this video we want to solve for x in x raised to the power square root of x equals 10. Wait a minute, before I solve this, what if I told you this particular question stumbled 99% of math students? Alright, well let's solve it together. Let's say solution. We have x raised to the power square root of x equals 10. Right? So from here, we know if you have square root of x square is x, right? Because this square will cancel the square root, right? So we replace x, this x, with square root of x square. So we have square root of x square, then raised to power what? Raised to power square root of x, right? Equals 10. So let's recall that if you have m raised to power p, then raised to power q, this is equals mpq. We multiply the powers, so then this will become 2 times square root of x. So we have square root of x raised to power 2 square root of x equals 10, right? Here our square root of x equals k. So we have k raised to power 2k, right, equals 10. So if you introduce ln to both sides, we will have ln k raised to power 2k equals ln 10. So which implies that, okay, let's first recall that if you have ln x raised to power y, this is equals y ln x, right? So applying this to the above, we will have 2k will come forward, so we have 2k ln k equals ln 10. So from here, if we divide both sides by 2, this will cancel this, so we have k ln k equals 1 divided by 2 ln 10, right? So we can rewrite this as ln k times k equals 1 divided by 2 ln 10, right? But let's recall something here, that if you have exponential in k, this is equals to what? This is equals to k, because this exponential we can lose this ln, right? So we have this, let's write it as ln k multiply by this k, we replace it with exponential in k, right, equals 1 divided by 2 ln 10. All right, you can start this to be your equation 1. So here, from Lampard function, if you have the Lampard function of a exponential a, this will be equal to a. So the reason why we want to do this is we want to make what is here the same with what is here, right? So, and you can see we have ln k here, we have ln k here, so we can actually introduce the Lampard function to both sides. So let's introduce Lampard function to both sides. So we have the Lampard function of ln k multiplied by exponential ln k, right, equals the Lampard function of 1 divided by 2 ln 10. right? So from here we see that we've already told you that if you have this base and this power the same, we are going to choose one. So we have ln k equals the Lampant function of 1 divided by 2 ln 10, right? So here we introduce exponential to both sides, and if you do, we have exponential. This we cancel this, so we have k equals exponential the Lampant function of 1 divided by 2 ln 10. I hope you are following. So here now we have this. You can start this. So and if you have the Lampant function of a multiplied by exponential a, this is equals to the Lampant function of a multiplied by exponential the Lampant function of a, which is equals to what? Which is equals to a. So therefore this exponential the Lampant function of a is equals, so this is just as comparing here. This is exponential Lampant, right? So you let a be equals this, so we have a divided by the Lampant function of a, right? So I told you can name this to be equation 2. You now compare this equation 2 with equation star, so letting this be your what? Be your a, right? So we have our a to be 1 divided by 2 ln 10. So therefore we have our k to be equals 1 divided by 2 ln 10, sorry, divided by the Lampant function of 1 divided by 2 ln 10. You can close this. You can even number this equation 3, right? But let's recall that it's not k we are going to find, we are finding x. So we recall that our k equals square root of x, right? So and to get our x, we square both sides, so that the square here we cancel the square root. So we have k square equals, this we cancel this, right? So we have k square equals x, right? So and therefore our x equals k. Don't forget we've already gotten our k above, so we have our k equals 1 divided by 2 ln 10 divided by the Lampant function of 1 divided by 2 ln 10, right? So but what we got here is what? K square, so we have to put square here. This is our final answer. My great fam, you can now send super to support this channel. It helps me to create more content you love. I say every super thanks, and I make sure to give it a shout out in my next video. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.